Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we'll be doing an oil service on this 2014 Nissan GTR. To do an oil service on this car is very straightforward. All you need is a few common basic hand tools. If you have a ramp, it makes life much easier, but if you don't, you can also do this using a trolley jack. Send the car up in the air and remove the middle under tray. After removing the under tray, the oil filter and the sump plug is there, you can't miss it. You can use a ratchet and a 14mm socket to drain the oil. While the oil is draining, you can use an oil filter wrench to remove the oil filter. Let the oil drain for a few minutes. While the oil is draining, you can match the new and the old oil filter to make sure it's the same. You should always lubricate the new oil filter seal before fitting it back on the car. Fit the oil filter. You don't need to use the wrench again, you just need to make sure it's hand tight. Clean the whole area using a brake cleaner and some blue rolls to make sure there's no oil deposits left underneath. Once the surface area is clean, you are pretty much done underneath the car. Bring the car back down to the floor, and this is when you top up the oil level. This car holds 5 litres of 0W40 oil. It's recommended to get this oil from the dealer. After filling up the engine with the correct oil, use the dipstick to make sure the oil level is okay before starting the car. Once you check the oil level and the oil level is okay, you can go to the car and start the car. While the car is running, send the car back up and make sure there's no oil leaks from the sump plug and the oil filter. Put the under tray back on the car, bring the car back down to the floor and switch the car off. Now you have to double check the oil level, because once you start the car, the oil circulates around the engine and it goes into the filter. After double checking the oil level, you are done. That's how easy it is to do an oil service on a Nissan GTR. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more.